And now is time to begin to rest. Eventually there will be sleep, perchance to dream, and waking. We know all of these things. The day is past, the deeds are done, and there is nothing to be done now but sleep. Find a comfortable position for your body. Allow yourself to imagine becoming heavier, releasing all responsibilities, all to-do lists, all curiosity about how a conversation went. Just devote yourself to falling asleep now. Begin with the toes, relaxing, and then both feet softly snuggling into the bed. Notice your breath. As you relax the body, the breath becomes easier and easier, slower and deeper. You begin to feel heavy. The mind begins to rest, turning your thoughts to your calves, feeling gravity pulling them close to the earth in support, knees resting after so much work all day. Thank you, knees. Thighs heavy, resting. Imagine your pelvis, that center of body activity, that rooted, grounded place of your pleasure. Take a big inhale and a long, slow exhale, allowing your pelvis to relax, sinking deeper and deeper into comfort as the day washes gently away, as water flows down a stream, natural, calm, taking the path of least resistance. Pelvis growing heavier and heavier. Drifting away into the safety of sleep. Nothing to do, nothing to be, only surrendering to relaxation and rest. Feel the navel. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your belly as your breathing deepens even more. Every exhale a little deeper than the last, just effortlessly as your body comes to its natural resting position and time. Moving to the ribs, feel them gently rising and falling. Feel your heart beating inside your body, Sink into the rhythm there, the constancy of the heart. Thank you, heart, for all of your wisdom, for your love, for your endless labor. Thank you for beating. Thank you for keeping me breathing. And move your awareness into your throat. That center of your power where mind and body unite thought and breath into words. Be thankful for your words, for the way in which you may speak your needs and answer calls, for how it relates to your action and your well-being. Thank you, voice. Thank you, unity of mind and body. Everything relaxing together as you let your awareness come to your jaw, relaxing the teeth, a little swallow perhaps, lips together if that's easy, breathing gently, deeply through the nose. Relaxing your nose, relaxing your eardrums, allowing your eyes to sink deeply into your head, surrendering work, turning off for the evening. And so the eyebrows, the forehead, join the body in easy relaxation, in wonderful rest. Give yourself permission to have the pleasure of solid rest. Now you sleep. Gentle, loving,